Throwing on this 325 IS badge on the back of project. What's the name of this project? You know what? We haven't even named this thing.
Honestly, I've already thought about this. So obviously Kobe was my man's, and the car is black, and it's gonna be a monster. It's lethal. So the car is the Black Mamba. This is the Black Mamba.
So far, interior progress. Cage in, seat belts, suede it out, rear seat delete, suede it out, headliner. You're over here. You're popping.
Yeah.
You're popping right now.
It needed the IS. It needed the IS.
Oh.
Clean.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's crazy. It's about to be nutty. Dude, the angle that I'm hitting this, the mirror is...
Can you see me in there?
Yeah, it's insane. Because you can see the line of dirt and then just wet.
Just clean.
It's just wet.
No.
So mean. When you put the taillights in with the IS in the back. Badge completed.
Why that looks so clean against the paint, bro? Obviously the car is dusty, but like that section that I wiped down right before.
Yeah, you can't tell from the angle that I was filming, but from right here.
I don't know, can you see the flaky flake too?
Oh yeah. Get in that.
I mean, that's actually insane, dude.
Hey, you want to give them a little sneak peek of the heart of Mamba?
This one?
This one.
Okay.
Let's go show them. Let's go show them.
Just don't tell no one, bro. I know you filming it, dog, but
Don't tell you. Don't tell anybody.
that's for the vault, bro. You don't tell nobody.
Oh my god. That was kind of crazy the way you just took that off.
So this one I built. We did obviously S54. Rebuilt the vanos. Got some status screw V4 headers on it. It's collected some dust waiting for it, but we got some CP Crillo forged pistons in there. We're still 11.5 to 1 compression. Nothing too crazy there, and kind of just went through it, cleaned it all up, all new seals, gaskets, basically everything that needed to be replaced in here to keep it going. We did ARP hardware, VAC Motorsports, high performance, low friction, rod bearings, main bearings, 3-angle valve job on the head, so flow a little bit more air. I don't know, just some little cool goodies.
Fire. This is about to be dirt nasty.
Dirt nasty, and then hopefully we should. I kind of wanted velocity stacks, but I feel like the move is to go carbon airbox for sure.
Everything.
That'll just be sexy. I'll keep the same power. It'll make great intake noises.
Carbon plenum, everything.
Yeah, I think that's the move. I think that'll be the move. Yeah, I feel bad. My baby's just over here collecting dust. Need to blow it off pretty good before it goes in.
Did you paint the block too, or is that?
Yeah, just
A little bit.
some Pet Boy spray paint special on there.
It's good though.
Yeah.
Look good though.
This tube's been changed. So this piece right here has changed. This was from VAC Motorsports as well. So running a stock, so an E30 and M20 temp gauge sensor in here, so that obviously my temp gauge on the car works on my instrument cluster. Which even my instrument cluster, that's
it's hopped up.
yeah, the instrument cluster has gone through. We had E30 dad do the cluster on it and the Euro clock. Kind of cleaned it up, 9K RPM, Kind of just cleaned up all the lettering, stuff like that. But yeah, so that'll be for that. So I switched this out. And there's another spot here if I want to add another temp sensor for any other purpose.
Aftermarket gauge.
I can just drill it, tap it, good to go.
Or plug it. Whatever you want. Oh.
It's an empty hole.
Oh, it's empty.
It's just has the divot.
Oh, I didn't notice that. I thought it was an actual hole.
Yeah.
The more you know.
Yeah.
Watch that. Go down. You get over there? Alright, in the hole. Oh, now this is
Money?
yeah. Pretty good that one though.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's really good actually.
Is there anything I can do with the bracket to make it look flusher?
Turn it all the way down.
Yep. Quattro, boom. Chevy, Mini, E30, Quattro, all in line.
Fire.
E46,
Fire.
up. 240, in.
S10 up.
Trash, basura.
Oh! Wait, S10 up. E46 up. 240 under. Mini Cooper under. Quattro in. E30 in.
Infinity, out. Expedition, out.